So, good afternoon. In the previous session, we are discussing about what is regression, what is the concept of regression, what is the use of regression, then the difference between correlation and regression, and independent variable and dependent variable. All these we have discussed today. Also, we have discussed the types of regression. Let us continue today the types of regression, particularly simple linear regression. Simple linear regressions, there are three again: linear regression lines, linear regression equations, linear regression coefficients. So, regression equations, what are equations? Two types of equations are there: y1x and x1y. y1x means y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. That is, regression equations are algebraic formulation of regression lines. Regression equation of y1x, here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. That is y equal to a plus bx. Or also you can write this y minus y bar equal to, these are all the regression types, all are same. Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Or in the regression coefficients, y minus y bar equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y upon sigma x into x minus x bar. This is the regression equation of y on x. Similarly, regression equations of x on y. X on y equal to, the regression equation is x equal to a plus by, or x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar, or x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y into y minus y bar. Next, regression coefficients. Regression coefficient measures the average change in the value of one variable for a unit change in the value of another variable. ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? y ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. b ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. b and b are both are regression coefficients. However, a is the y intercept. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, y axis ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೈಟ್, ಯಾವ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ. ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. ಫಿಗರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತೇನ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಓದಿ. ಅಥವಾ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆಗಳಿಂದ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟು, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟು. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಬೈ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್, then there is a change in average change in y. It says average change. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. Regression coefficient measures the average change in the value of one variable for a unit change in the value of the another variable. These represents the slope of regression line. B ಇದೆಲ್ಲ a plus bx ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, b is the represents the slope of regression line. Two regression coefficients ಯಾವ್ದು? Regression coefficient of y1x that equal to byx equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x, and regression coefficient of x1y equal to bxy equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. So this is next, properties of regression coefficients. Coefficient of correlation is the geometric mean of the regression coefficient. Geometric mean ಯಾವುದು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ n ಏನಿದೆ 2 values ಇದ್ರೆ square root of positive square root of the product of the variables. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? If there are two variables, square root of product of there's two variables. ಹೀಗೆ if three variables are cube root of product of three variables. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. This is the property of regression coefficient. Both the regression coefficients must have the same algebraic sign. Byx, Bxy. Next is coefficient of correlation must have the same sign as that of the regression coefficients. One day same sign will be there. Both regression coefficients cannot be greater than unity. So if your answer is greater than 1, out of two regression coefficients, one must be less than 1, less than unity. Both regression coefficients cannot be greater than unity. One can be greater than unity, but other should be less than 1 or equal to 1. Arithmetic mean of two regression coefficients is equal to or greater than the correlation coefficient, that is bxy plus bxyx divided by 2 is greater than r. So regression coefficient is independent of change of origin and scale. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ದ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವುದು y equal to a plus bx, then we have to determine the values of regression coefficients, that is a and b. How to solve this? By using different methods. Let us see about that. Obtaining the regression equations using normal equations and using regression coefficients. Regression equations in individual series using normal equations. Normal equations, what are normal equations? The following are the normal equations. This method is also called as least square method. ಯಾವುದು ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತದಲ್ಲ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ those two equations are the normal equations. This method, by solving the regression values of the regression coefficient by these normal equations, is also called as least square method. Under this method, regression equations can be calculated by solving the normal equations. What are normal equations? For the regression equation of y on x is y equal to a plus bx, that is normal equations. One is sum of y. If you multiply, you take the summation both the sides, we get sum of y equal to na plus b into sum of x, and sum of xy equal to a into sum of x plus b into sum of x squared. Sum of y means total of y values equal to n is a total number, total values, total observations into a, plus b is as it is sum of x, means sum of the x values. Similarly, sum of the product of x and y equal to a into sum of x values and b into sum of x squared. X squared, you have to square the values and you have to add, that is sum of x squared. Another method is byx equal to n into sum of xy minus sum of x into sum of y divided by n into sum of x squared minus sum of x the whole squared, and a equal to y bar minus v x bar. Here a is y intercept, indicates the minimum value of y for x equal to 0. ಈ ನೋಡಿ a equal to y equal to a plus bx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 0 ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? y equal to a ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. ಸೊ y equal to a ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is a, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. If here a is the y intercept, indicates minimum value of y for x equal to 0, and b is the slope of the line, indicates the absolute increase in y per unit of increase in the x. So we have to solve by solving these normal equations, and we have to determine the values of a and b. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.